Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to find the section notification and status bar. So it is not really intuitive because usually we will just pick the battery, but we have to enter notifications and status bar and tap on status bar. And as you can see here, we've got two different options which are connected with the battery, showing kind of on the status bar. Let's focus on the percentage as it is the main title of this video. However, after that I'll also show you the battery style. So after tapping on the battery percentage, we can see that there are three different options. Inside the battery icon, which is currently applied in my case, outside the battery icon when the percentage is displayed next to the indicator, and it is much more visible than the previous option, and of course do not show. Depending on the battery style, there is a difference in showing the battery percentage, because in the horizontal and vertical we can use one of those three previously presented options. However, if we've got the loop option, which is by the way really cool, there is only the option to show battery percentage next to the battery icon. As you can see, we cannot really show it inside the battery icon, it will be too small. What is more, we are also able to pick this option, do not show the battery indicator at all, so either you will have nothing here or only the battery percentage, which is again a really cool option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.